over a little bit behind me on the right. But if you live here, you know where I'm at. Oh, let me clean my windshield, sorry. Hey, there we go. Ooh, the car, it is dead stop on the entrance ramp for 696. We have a semblance of lanes here, so that's working. I see some emergency vehicles over on 696, right off of the ramp. Real slow through there. Set lanes, pretty slow. I think it's probably going to stay like this. Alright, signing off. It's 9:03 a.m. to Wednesday, January 21st, 2026. On Northwestern Highway North, Southfield, and this is what our roads look like today, Metro Detroit.